Hey guys, it's me, Cinny. It used to be Cinny GD, but I have more content. So today I'm gonna show you guys, don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you guys how to load and make a custom FNF chart. You can see I have stuff here, and then I made this, right? So first thing what you're gonna do is you're going to install Friday Night Funkin'. So if I this is the one with yeah, so this has weekend 1. This is a new update. You can download the game on itch.io, because if you play it on Newgrounds, guess what guys? You can't upload files. So we're gonna install the latest version of FNF. You're gonna load up the game, so I'll let it load real quick. So is the display working? That's why. Okay. The game is black right now, but that's fine. So I'm not sure how loud this is compared to my voice. Okay. So so basically what we're gonna have to do is load up into the game like that. And then, now here's the part that's annoying. You're gonna go to options, you're gonna go to controls, you're gonna go all the way to the bottom, or you can just go up on the top thing. You have debug. You click enter to set your hotkey, so I can set it to A, but I'm gonna set it to 1. And this is the thing you're gonna need. Then you exit, you make sure you're on this page, you click on the keybinds you set it to, and click on chart editor. So, I don't worry about this. That's just backups. There's a backups folder inside of here, so you can see if I go to the game. Well, okay. There's a backups folder, and then you're gonna go here. You can either create a new song. You can set the song name, and then the artist. And then you can set the different stuff. There's different stages, like you can do the mansion. Note style, there can be the pixel or the regular, which is like the difference between the senpai one and then the regular. You can set the player, it can be boyfriend. You can even set it to other characters, but it might glitch out a little bit. And you can even set it to the speakers, the girlfriend or whatever. Then you're gonna set the opponent, so I can set it over here. We can set Spooky Kids, which is the Skid and Pump. And then the girlfriend character, we can make it different ones, like, oh, I don't know, Nay, let's do that one. And then you set the tempo, so you can set to like 110, because that's what the other one is. Continue, and then you're gonna click on this. You're gonna open up your file explorer or whatever you use. You're going to find the song that you want to use. Make sure it's an OGG file. You can find a website to convert it if you need to, because you might have it as an MP3. You're gonna load that up. And then you can have vocals for the different characters. You see drag and drop vocals for Spooky Kids, or click to browse. So you can browse in the vocals. I usually click on skip. And then you have stuff. You can have a bunch of stuff like events. So the events that happens, you can do like play animation, boyfriend, hey. There's other stuff to find these animations, but you can put it like that, and then there's also playtest properties. Practice mode, which means you won't die in game when you lose your health. Bot play, which lets the gameplay itself start at current time, which wherever this thing is, it'll play there, because you can see I have the song. And then enable song scripts, which is just stuff like this. Next, you can see there's two sides. There's this side for the spooky kids, and then one side for boyfriend. These are where you place the arrows. You can go like that, and then you can go ha, and then you can go like that. I don't know what I did there. Oh, that just sets where you are. Okay, I did not know that. And then after you do that, you can either click Shift Enter to play Quick Start, like that, and it'll play it like that, quickly, or you can just click Enter to load it up in the mode with that. So yeah, you can see he's doing the hay. There's more stuff you can do in the events, like you could do zoom camera, which crashes the game if you do it, I found out, so don't do that. Yeah, and there's other stuff like metadata, which lets you change anything you need, like this. You can also change the scroll speed to like 2, like that. Difficulty sets the rating for the difficulty. You can also go down here and right click to increase the difficulty or left click to lower the difficulty. So it'll go to a different difficulty. You can see when I set the scroll speed, you can see it goes faster. So that's basically all to it. If you need to load up a backup, the backups folder you can find by finding your FNF folder like this, and then going up into backups. You can, if you use File Explorer, you can see the date modified to see which one's the most recent. And it saves backups. I'm not sure how recent, but there's a ton of backups for when I make my songs. And yeah, that's basically it. You can also exit by doing Control Q or going to File. You can open charts. You can save chart as. So you can select the name, go to wherever, and then you can just set the name. So we would say FNF lol test. I don't know. Save it, and then you check your desktop over here, and you have it right here. So that's pretty much it to it. But if you have enough willpower, which I barely had, you can finish the entire song. Yeah, so that, and oh, forgot one more thing. You can actually change the BPM and what the snapping level of the notes are. So you can see I have 132, so that's just every half grid space. There's also like 192, which is very specific. You can see it still snaps a little bit. But there's also 112, sucks. But yeah, so I usually set mine at 132 because that's half a grid space. You drag down for the thing. If you drag the end, you can also change it. But yeah, that's pretty much all to it. Down to the events, the notes, and yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys think this was a good tutorial because, I don't know, there's this guy, I don't remember his name. What's his name? Shout out to no1_1010. I love you. You're so nice to me. I don't deserve this. But you still have it, because he likes my videos. Shout out to you, because If you think this is cool, make it yourself. I think you can make some pretty good stuff. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye guys.